Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the full-width visual callout block. This block allows you to place an image that spans a full width of a row with options to place a heading and a button over the image. Please note that if you are placing text over the image, your image will likely need to be darkened in order for there to be adequate contrast with the white text. So the first thing we need to do is create the block. So I go to Add Content, I select Blocks, Row Blocks, and then Full Width Visual Callout. I'll expand to full screen, and I'm going to give this another name, and we're just doing a little feature on Missoula. So first thing we need to do is go to the image field and select our image. And I will need to browse for that. So it's here, File, Image, Blocks, and then it's Sentinel Panorama Darkened. Choose that. Now I need to add alt text in this field. So this is a description of the image. So this is something that's legally required and is for people who are using a screen reader or some other assistive device so they can understand what this is an image of. So this is a panorama of Missoula from Mount Sentinel. Okay, and then we have an option for a mobile image. So this is what we'll display on smaller tablets and phones. So I've prepared one of these already. And for the mobile image, you're going to want this to be a square image set to 320 by 320 pixels. So I choose that, click choose, and I can use the same alt text for the mobile image as I do for the regular size image. Okay, and then for the heading, I'm just going to say, welcome to Missoula. And in this heading level field, this is where we just pick which heading level you want. H1 is the largest size, all the way down to H5. I'm going to pick H2, and now we can choose whether or not we want to add a button, which I do. So I'm going to click yes, and I open up the link here, and there's two options, internal or external. Internal means you choose this, you navigate to somewhere on your site, and they're linking to a page or a file or something on your site. I'm going to do an external page. I'm going to link to the Wikipedia article on Missoula. So I will go and copy that, paste that in here. There we go. And the label, this is the text that will actually be in the button. So I will say, read about Missoula. And the last field is this target field. So there's two options. The parent window or tab will open this link in the current window. If you choose new window or tab, you will open the link in a new window. So I'm going to do that. And I will go up here and click submit, add any contents or any comments if I need to. Click submit. Here's our block, and now the last step is just to add it to my page. So I've got one prepared already. Full width visual callout. So I select that page, and I select edit. I'll open up in full screen, and I'm going to attach it to this row, first row here. So in the content type, I change that to row block, and I just choose the block here. And there it is, full width visual callout Missoula. Select that, click choose, and there we go. Now I just need to preview the draft. Cool, and there's our block. So there's the heading text, there's the button. If I select that, it opens up in a new tab. Okay, now I just click submit, add any comments, submit again, and we're done. Thanks very much, and I will see you in the next video.